USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, to make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you have some links. The first link says swing like a pro. So if you click on the first link, you'll come to this page where you can watch these swing setups. So you can play these videos and see everything. Okay, and then you can join the program if you want to. Coming back to the chart, not coming back to the chart, the second link says book consultation. You can speak with me, you can consult with me, you can check the link, check out this link here for that, and also you will find some brokers there. So join free Telegram. So this is free. You can always get into my Telegram. Absolutely. Okay, so go and do that. Now we are back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are down. Okay, daily we are down, and 4 hour we are down. So we are not out yet, we are down only, which means that look for shorts after the pullback in 4 hour and make some profits. If you want exactly when exactly do we enter, when do we exit, for that you have to go and join this program. Okay, till then keep watching my videos, subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.